In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Nick RYpock Trailing Reverse in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. Any chart will work here, so just pick the market or ticker you usually analyze. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. On the top of your TradingView chart, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top toolbar, above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can search for built-in tools, community scripts, and anything you've favorited. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search box right at the top. Click into the search box so you can type. This search bar is really useful because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and searching is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Now, in that search box, start typing Nick RYpock Trailing Reverse. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below. Make sure you spell it as closely as you can. Even if you're slightly off, TradingView's search is usually good at guessing what you mean. When you see Nick RYpock Trailing Reverse appear in the list of indicators, simply click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see additional lines, signals, or overlays that represent the Nick RYpock Trailing Reverse logic plotted on your price action. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you actually clicked the indicator name and that you're on the correct chart. From here, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, usually at the top left of your chart, and click on the settings icon. This is where you can adjust inputs, colors, and styles so it matches your trading preferences and is easy to read on your screen. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock more charts, more indicators, and a smoother overall experience, check out my affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to all the tools you see me using here. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Nick RYpock Trailing Reverse indicator in TradingView Pro, and you're ready to start testing it in your own analysis.